Hello, fellow Midjourney people. I have been continuing to explore the new Midjourney style codes that you can use when you add --SREF and number to your prompt. They're a great way to switch up the look of your images. This time, I will be concentrating on the anime or manga looking styles. You have seen a number of these already, but I've done a deep dive into them and added some more examples. I initially thought that the new styles had a lot of anime styles, but I guess it just happened so that there was a concentration of them in the smaller number style codes, but they became more rarer as I went along. As per my usual style, I have prompted each of the style with the horizontal aspect ratio of 16:9 with the prompt being just the period symbol. I have used the seed number 777 for all the results to keep them somewhat consistent. And you may even be able to replicate the same looking images as I have. I did run out of fast hours while exploring these, so majority of the examples have been prompted while the relaxed mode has been on. And also to remind you, the personalization has been off while I have prompted. I have heard from some of you that you're not getting the same results as I have, and the personalization could be the most likely cause of that. Meaning that you have another preferred style on top of the style code, which mixes the results up. You may end up with cool results regardless, but if you're looking to do exactly these styles, make sure you have the personalization off. And as a reminder, these are the new style references. I think this is the third iteration of the style code system. The very first one had very different looking style codes. The second one I have done majority of my exploration with, and the numbers do overlap. So if you look at my older videos and want to use the styles from those, make sure you use also --SV4 with either Midjourney version 6 or 7. And going back to the results for this video, I have prompted the vertical aspect ratio images of 9:16 with 4 different subjects. This time they are Princess, Kitsune, Dojo and Skyline. I wanted to use kind of typical subject matter that you would see in anime or manga. But of course the style can work with other things as well. So let's take a look at the 25 anime styles. 2. Pastel glow. Softness. Dreamy colors and soft highlights blend into a comforting, almost storybook anime aesthetic. The vertical grids showcase tender lighting and delicate brushwork that bring out a gentle charm, perfect for feel-good anime openings or light-hearted fantasy worlds. 4. Inked hearth detailing. Fine linework and earthy palettes give this style a rustic, story-rich anime appearance. The vertical examples highlight careful shading and textured environments, bringing out a grounded, artisanal quality, perfect for fantasy RPG adaptations or slice-of-life adventure series. 1-0. Grit-shaded line intensity. Harsh shading and bold outlines produce a striking, high-stakes anime atmosphere with a gritty edge. The vertical layouts emphasize raw expressions and shadow-heavy environments, capturing the feel of action-packed, shonen or seinen series. Perfect for intense battle anime, psychological thrillers, or dramatic openings. 1-5. Sepia line drama shading. Muted sepia tones paired with strong linework create a nostalgic, cinematic anime look. The vertical images deepen the atmosphere with dramatic lighting and classic shading, offering a timeless aesthetic suited for historical anime, serious dramas, or noir-inspired stories. 2-0. Cel-shaded hero assembly. Clean cel shading and vibrant colors give this style a bold, action-ready anime aesthetic. The vertical samples emphasize crisp character outlines and dynamic color blocking, making it ideal for shonen battle anime, heroic ensembles, or energetic opening sequences. 2-4. Pastel gloss. Mo shading. Bright pastels and shiny highlights give this style a soft, cheerful mo aesthetic with high cuteness appeal. The vertical grids emphasize rounded forms and sparkling eyes, ideal for slice-of-life comedies, school anime, or kawaii merchandise. 2-7. Crimson silhouette gothic anime. Dark silhouettes and deep crimson tones create a haunting, gothic anime style with strong visual contrast. The vertical compositions focus on dramatic framing and sharp outlines, making this perfect for supernatural thrillers, gothic fantasy anime, or dark romantic themes. 3.0. Energetic cell. Expression montage. Bright colors and exaggerated expressions give this style a lively, energetic anime vibe full of classic shonen charm. The vertical scenes burst with dynamic character poses and vibrant backdrops, ideal for comedy action anime, tournament arcs, or youth-centered adventures. 3.7. Serene watercolor manga ensemble. Loose brushstrokes and soft watercolors give this style a peaceful, hand-painted manga quality. The vertical examples combine fluid linework with muted tones, creating a laid-back atmosphere perfect for nostalgic adventure series, character vignettes, or slice-of-life fantasy. 4.3. Soft line character study. Minimalist linework and light washes of color give this style a sketchbook-like, reflective quality. The vertical grids focus on expressive forms and open space, making this ideal for character concept sheets, romantic drama manga, or calm slice-of-life scenes. 4.6. Sunlit real anime fusion. Bright, natural lighting and semi-realistic shading blend anime charm with a touch of realism. The vertical layouts highlight warm sunlight and expressive characters, making this style great for slice-of-life anime, heartfelt coming-of-age stories, or warm seasonal illustrations. 4.7. Earth tone graphite. Brushwork. Muted earth tones and rough graphite-like shading give this style a grounded, mature anime aesthetic. The vertical compositions emphasize strong contrasts and textured environments, making it perfect for gritty adventure anime, post-apocalyptic stories, or serious seinen dramas. 6.7. Pastel cel-shaded anime. Soft pastel hues and gentle cel shading bring a cheerful, light-hearted anime style with a polished, modern look. The vertical samples highlight bright, friendly characters and colorful environments, making this ideal for romantic comedies, upbeat slice-of-life series, or idle anime. 7.5. Teal scarlet cel-shaded illustration. This style blends sharp cel shading with bold teal and scarlet tones, giving illustrations a cinematic atmosphere. The vertical examples showcase powerful contrasts and dramatic character designs, perfect for action-packed series, superhero themes, or modern sci-fi narratives. 8.3. Soft pastel cel shading. A gentle cel-shaded look softened with pastel tones, creating a light, approachable atmosphere for characters and scenes. The vertical examples highlight calm colors and clean outlines, ideal for slice-of-life anime, romantic comedies, or light-hearted adventures where warmth and clarity matter. 8.8. Pink halftone, manga collage. This style blends bold halftone shading with vivid pink overlays, giving characters and settings a punchy, collage-like manga aesthetic. The vertical examples showcase high-energy contrasts and pop art vibes, perfect for fashion-forward illustrations, energetic manga covers, or stylized urban scenes. 9.9. Earth-tone cel-shade digital. This style merges natural earth tones with sharp cel shading, creating grounded yet dynamic anime visuals. The vertical examples highlight rich shading and atmospheric color palettes, ideal for character-focused anime projects or story-driven environmental scenes. 1.04. Ember-tinted cel shading. With warm ember tones and high-contrast cel shading, this style evokes dramatic intensity and heat. The vertical examples showcase its potential for fantasy combat scenes and emotionally charged character portraits. 1.12. Cinematic ukiyo-e. Anime fusion. Traditional ukiyo-e brushwork merges with cinematic lighting to create rich, atmospheric anime scenes. Fine linework and textured gradients give characters and landscapes a classic, storybook-like presence. Perfect for visual novels or narrative-driven animations, where mood and setting play a central role. 1.41. Vibrant shonen anime illustration. Bold linework and saturated colors bring energy and intensity to this classic shonen anime look. Characters burst with lively expressions and dynamic posing, giving scenes a spirited, youthful tone. A great choice for action-packed storyboards, energetic character posters, or vibrant slice-of-life worlds. 147. Clean line. Anime style. Clean lines and smooth shading give this style a polished and approachable aesthetic with a modern anime feel. Its balanced tones and subtle highlights work perfectly for story-driven character art, lifestyle manga, or promotional illustrations. The vertical examples highlight expressive poses and calm compositions, making them ideal for slice-of-life visuals and cover art alike. 197. Pastel cel-shaded character illustration. This style features pastel cel shading with a soft, inviting palette and clean anime-style outlines. The vertical grids emphasize delicate facial expressions and gentle lighting, making them perfect for character portraits or promotional art with a youthful, cheerful vibe. It's well suited for romantic comedies, light-hearted fantasy stories, or character-driven slice-of-life series. 198. Vibrant kawaii chibi composite. Bright pastel tones and ultra chibi proportions create a playful and expressive look, perfect for light-hearted anime branding or character merchandise. Intricate outfits and cheerful poses bring variety to each subject, making it well suited for collectible designs, mascots, or vibrant character showcases. Cute proportions and glossy highlights work especially well in promotional visuals, stickers, and playful app interfaces. 205. Halftone ink rendering. Fine halftone lines and clean black and white contrasts reflect classic manga aesthetics, ideal for authentic comic panels and retro-styled illustrations. Delicate linework and expressive shading give characters a timeless manga feel, suitable for zines, webcomics, or nostalgic branding. The scenery and character shots could work well for graphic novels, print publications, or manga-inspired design, mock-ups. 232. High contrast cinematic anime. Cinematic lighting and sharp contrasts deliver a dramatic anime look, ideal for intense storytelling, key visuals, and dynamic posters. The crisp shadows and emotional framing emphasize character depth and narrative tension, working well for promotional art and stylized animations. Strong backlighting and moody compositions create striking atmospheric scenes, perfect for anime title cards or immersive visual novels. Alright, those were the styles for this video. Even though Midjourney has an entire model solely dedicated to anime, called Niji Journey, you can still use the regular Midjourney model to create anime-style images as well, if you prefer that. Let me know what you thought of these styles and if any of these will be useful for you for anything. I also have these images with their prompts in a prompt PDF format over on my Patreon or my Ko-fi. They are available for my members along with earlier access to most of the videos I post. And in return, you also get to support the channel and help me keep exploring these awesome looking styles and other stuff as well. So thank you so much for your support. But if you're not up for that, you can always subscribe to my channel for free over on YouTube if you want to keep seeing more videos like this. So like, subscribe, comment and all that stuff. I thank you so much for watching and let's continue prompting.